Hurricane-force winds can be one of the most devastating acts of nature. And if you ask any native Floridian, hurricanes are a way of life. In 1992, Hurricane Andrew proved just how destructive these storms can be. This Category 5 hurricane swept through South Florida, causing more than $27 billion in damage. In response, and with the help of PGT custom windows and doors, Miami-Dade County enacted some of the toughest building codes in the country. In 2017, 25 years after Andrew, Hurricane Irma slammed the Florida Keys as a Category 4 storm, causing $50 billion in damage. Thankfully, nearly 80% of the homes in Irma's path were built to better withstand the storms, proving that strengthened building codes helped. Just a year later, another record-setting Category 5 storm hit Mexico Beach, Florida, a coastal town in Florida's Panhandle and an area unaccustomed to being ground zero for a hurricane. With older homes and a weakened building code, 75% of Mexico Beach was flattened. More recently, in 2022, Hurricane Ian hammered Florida with a yet again record-breaking loss of $113 billion. Once Ian passed, the PGTI engineering team was one of the few industry groups invited to participate with the National Science Foundation's Structural Extreme Events Reconnaissance Network. As a group, 418 structural damage assessments were performed in Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel, Pine Island, and other hard-hit areas. Once again, the stronger building codes used in newer structures proved effective. And PGT Impact products help protect homes from strong winds and flying debris. Although it can take years to enact stronger building codes in areas where they're lacking, you don't need to wait. You can protect your home now. The laminated glass in our Impact windows and doors provides an extra layer of security against would-be intruders. And with millions of WindGuard impact-resistant products installed, we've had 0 reported impact failures. Live the life you want, where you want. A custom detailed home that offers you and your family beauty and peace of mind for years to come. That's the freedom of PGT.